The control chart is a graph used to study how a process changes over time. Secondly, datas are plotted in time order. A control chart always has a central line for the average, an upper line for the upper control limit, and a lower line for the lower control limit. These lines are determined from historical data. By comparing current data to these lines, you can draw conclusions about whether the process variation is in control or is unpredictable out of control.
Control charts are very useful. Firstly, it is useful for pinpointing unpredictable processes. Next is obtaining warning of impending trouble, such as an unexpected change in a process. Furthermore, it is also useful for evaluating product consistency over time.
Moreover, control chart can decrease performance variability in a process. Thereby, it decreases the level of post-process inspection of the output generated by the process. Next, control chart can also determine the cause of trouble when a process is generating output, which has errors and mistakes. Furthermore, control chart can be used to know when a process is doing the best that can be expected from it.
Control charts may also be useful in helping a firm improve its financial position. For example, one method of improving cash position is to speed up collections from customers. In using control charts to evaluate the customer billing process, a company may periodically draw random samples of invoices. For each invoice, the amount of time between the delivery date and billing date is measured. The amount of variation in billing time within samples of invoices is graphed on a control chart. The average billing time for the sample as a whole is graphed on a second control chart. The first control chart is used to evaluate changes in variation in the billing process from sample to sample. The center line represents the standard amount of variation in billing time for a sample of invoices. The chart is in control, and therefore, the process variation is stable. The second control chart shows shifts in the average billing time from sample to sample. The center line on this chart represents the standard amount of time between delivery and billing. Samples 2, 4, 6, 7, 11 and 13 represent out-of-control points. Perhaps employee illness or vacations caused the billing delays during these time periods.